It's Shop Update Thursdays, what means I'm going to show you what will be in the store anytime soon, or what I just added in the store on my Etsy and on my blog. I will show you. This beautiful taxidermy artwork in a dome. Then we have these Ouija pouches. These will also be added in the store. I'm still thinking, do I want to add these bookmarks? Or do I want to make a set of something with these in it? I don't know. What do you think? They're Zodiac bookmarks and they're absolutely gorgeous and fancy. But what do we do with them? Do we sell them separately or in a pack with something similar to it? What do you think? This cutie. And this cutie pie. And this beauty. I will add a picture that's easier. This adorable bag, this shoulder bag. Look at it. Look at those flowers. And look on the inside. Absolutely beautiful. This absolutely stunning shoulder bag. And the best part is, look at the inside. Look how amazing it is. Absolutely gorgeous. This cutie. You can put this outside. Wait, I will show you. So you can put it outside in your garden. Because it's cotton, you can just do it. And I needed to get the light back. But you can also use it inside, of course. Just with a light in it and you're done. Look at this cute little detail. And these cute little potion bottle necklaces. Both in cornelian and smoky quartz. So that was it for this week. I will do another shop update on Thursday next week. Thank you for watching.